What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, we got the Galaxy S25 Ultra on deck, guys. And today, I know it's been a lot of talk about screen protectors and screen protectors with anti-glare and anti-reflective coatings and things of that nature, so you can still keep the anti-reflective nature of your screen while protecting your screen. And today, I got the solution, guys. Let's get into it. Now, shout out to a company called Whitestone, guys. Whitestone reached out to me. They let me know they had some screen protectors on deck, and it's exactly what you need for your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Y'all know the S25 Ultra is the only device on the market with an anti-glare coating on the screen. So this is something that's very rare. So a lot of screen protectors and different companies that manufacture protection for displays are not up on this technology yet. But finally, Whitestone, they climbed the mountaintop. They got an anti-reflection coating on their screen protector. As you can see, 98.25% anti-reflection. So you're not getting no reflection on your S25 Ultra because of your screen protector. So this is dope. We've already done the privacy anti-reflection, but this is the regular anti-reflection. This is what most people is gonna go to. If you take a look, reflection remover, easy to apply, easy wiping, ultra clear display, premium touch sensitivity, and shatterproof. Now, this is a really easy to apply screen protector, guys. We get everything out like so. Not a whole bunch of extras in the box. Not an intimidating screen protector to apply. Now, in this bag, you're going to get the screen protector with the frame. You get a cleaning kit because you know before you apply any screen protector, you have to clean your screen on your device thoroughly. And then you just get a pad to sit your device on. Very simple. Very simple cleaning instruction, guys. First, you just hit it with the alcohol pad to clean all the residue, clean whatever's on your screen. Then you hit it with the microfiber to really get your screen clean and completely free of any residue or anything that the alcohol pad left behind. Then if there's any dust on your screen, we got these stickers, these dust removal stickers. Okay, now I done cleaned my device, guys. All I gotta do is apply the frame. Before I apply the frame, I gotta peel this back sticker off the screen protector, of course. Now I just apply the frame, and I would apply the frame in the same direction as if I'm reading the frame. Like, this is the direction that I'm reading the frame, and all of the text is, so I will apply it just like that, pointing up this way. Make sure it's nice and on there. And you're gonna wipe across first, then you're gonna wipe up and down. And then we gotta remove the sticker. Lift up like so. So as you can see, guys, very easy application. And if I turn the screen side to side, you see it's not getting too much reflection. There go the light on it, not getting too much reflection. Screen protector and the screen is working together doing this job, keeping those anti-glare type activities going on. And one thing I will say, I'm gonna go ahead and just reprogram my fingerprint scanner one more time. Every time I do a new screen protector, I will add a fingerprint, guys, just to make sure my fingerprint is working A-OK. Now let's go ahead and check the fingerprint scanner. Boom, easy. Working easy, guys. So here you go. You got your Whitestone Dome glass anti-reflective screen protector on your S25 Ultra. Both of these are anti-reflective type glasses working together to keep the reflections off your display. Very dope technology. Shout out for Samsung for having anti-glare. Shout out to Whitestone Dome for having an anti-reflective screen protector. I'll definitely put a link down in the description. Easy installation, guys. Even I did it from behind the camera. I'm sure you could do a better job focusing and being a little close, but with the frame, just a very easy installation and very dope screen protector, keeping your S25 Ultra anti-glare. But it's your boy BG Tech Life. Hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. I'm out. Peace.